Hello students, welcome you all. So today we are going to discuss construction chapter 11. So here in this class we are going to discuss two parts, that is division of line segment. Another part is here making similar triangles. But CBSE has deleted these parts making similar triangles for the year 2021. Okay. So we are not going to discuss this part. We will discuss only division of line segment. So let's start it. Here you have how to divide a line segment into a given ratio. So here the ratio given is m is to n and m equal to 3 and n equal to 2. That means you have to divide one line segment into 3:2. So first work will be to construct this line, given line segment. Suppose A, B. Okay. Then what you have to find? You have m equal to 3, n equal to 2. So you just add 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Now the next work will be to construct another line segment, say suppose AX. Okay. You can make the angle any angle, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, it's up to you. And length of AX is also up to you. Now the next step will be to divide this AX, okay, in the ratio of 3:2, or we'll just divide into 5 part. You just take your compass, you take any of the arc, okay, there is no limitation that you take how much arc, how much centimeter. So you just take 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit and 5 unit. Remember this, all the unit must be equal length. So you just name it A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So now we have divided here this much up to A5 in the 5 part. Now what will be the next step? Next step will be to join this A5 and B. Okay, here we have joined A5 and B. So after joining, just measure the angle. Which angle? The angle I have marked. We can measure the angle, just measure the arc and come to this point, A3 point. Why A3 point? Because you have to divide this into 3:2. So 1, 2, 3 part is here. Here 1, 2 part only. So you just measure the angle and measure it. Copy the angle here only. You know how to copy the angle? And join them. Okay, make the angle, let the angle intersect AB at point C. Okay, now you have AB which has been divided into 2 part, that is 3:2. That means AC is 3 part and BC is 2 part. Very simple method. Okay, so just we will go to the justification stage now. So we have to justify it. Now you can see we will move to this part here, this figure here, or you can also consider this figure. Here both the figure are same. Here we have this A3C and A5B, they are parallel. Why? Because you have this angle A3C is equal to angle A5B, this angle, isn't it? Therefore we can say, and their corresponding angle, therefore we can say A3C is parallel to A5B. Okay, and we can say that A3 divided by A3 A5 will be equal to AC by BC. But you know A3 is how many part? 1, 2, 3 unit, and here A35 is 2 unit. So instead of A3 you can say 3 unit, 3U per unit divided by 2 unit will be equal to AC by BC. you can cancel the u. So AC by BC equal to 3 by 2, or in other word you can say AC is to BC equal to 3 is to 2. So we have constructed or divided AB into 3 to in the ratio of 3 is to 2. So this is the justification of this construction. Now there is another alternate method. Okay, that method is also easy. We'll move to that. So here is the alternate method. Okay, now in the alternate method, what are the steps? The first step will be to make the line segment AB. Okay, then in the same way we will construct one other line segment AX or AX. Okay, then you please measure this angle. Okay, measure means you have to measure it by compass. Okay, and copy this angle BAX, this angle here at point B. Okay, now you have copied this angle and extend the ray ABY. Okay, so we have extended to this point to this ray to Y. Now you have AX is parallel to BY, isn't it? So AX parallel BY now. Now the next step will be we have to divide this line segment into 3 is to 2 na. So what we will do? We will take the compass, take an arc and take an arc of 1 unit here, A1, then A1, A3, another 1 unit, here another 1 unit. So here we have taken 3 units, and at BY we will take 2 units, 1 unit and 2 unit. Okay, and both the all the arcs must be same. Okay, so here you have this AY is parallel to BY. Okay, I am just clearing the figure. Okay, now you have AX is parallel to BY. These two lines rays are parallel, and as they are parallel, this angle is equal to this angle, and also we have measured these two angles which are equal. As both rays are parallel, therefore this angle A3C is equal to angle B2C. This angle, these two angles are equal, and angle ACA3 is equal to angle BCB3. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Now there are 3 angles equal to another 3 angles of 2 triangles. Okay, so in 2 triangles 3 angles are equal. So we can say triangle A3C, triangle A3C will be similar to triangle B2C, triangle B2C. Now these two triangles are similar. As these two triangles are similar, their sides will be in proportion, isn't it? So AA3, you can write AA3 by B2 will be equal to AC by BC. Corresponding sides AC by BC. But you know, look at the figure. AA3 is how many part? 1, 2, 3, 3 part. Here BB3 is 1 to 2 part. So instead of AA3 by BB2, we can write 3 by 2 will be equal to AC by BC. So this is what we needed. AC by BC, or AC is to BC, or in other words, we can write AC is to BC equal to 3 is to 2. So we had to divide AB into ratio 3 is to 2. Now we have divided into 3 is to 2. So this is another method, and that was the first method. So you can decide which method you adopt. Okay, both the methods are easy. So you can choose any of the method to construct or to divide a line segment. Okay, so this is it. Now we'll move to the exercise part. So here in the exercise, so this method is the method for making similar triangles. So this has been deleted by CBSE, so you don't need to study it here. So you have the exercise here, exercise 11.1. So in exercise 11.1 we have 7 number of question. Here we have 2 to 7 are making similar triangles, so you don't need to construct them. We need to construct only question number 1, that is draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm and divide it in the ratio of 5:8. Okay, so you have two method, you can construct it in any way. Okay, thank you.